Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel The Global Tongue. I'm your friend Sanjit Kumar Vishwakarma, and today I am here again with my new video. And today I'll be covering here two words, which is first one is until and the second one unless. And I'll try my best to teach you how to use until and unless in a sentence, because I often hear people use until and unless together, which is completely wrong. So unless means if not, and until means up to. Okay, so let's pick up until. So until means until tomorrow I will be available here, or until next year I have to make videos. The second word unless he comes here I won't help him. Unless he returns my money I won't give his cell phone. So unless means if not, and until means up to. Got it? So guys, if you like this video, kindly share, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.